Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set gamma in Minecraft. Gamma controls the overall brightness of your game world, making dark areas much easier to see. This is incredibly useful for exploring deep caves or navigating at night without torches. Adjusting this setting can significantly improve your visibility and enhance your gameplay experience, especially in dimly lit environments. We will guide you through the simple steps to customize this important visual setting. To begin, you need to locate your Minecraft installation folder. This is typically found in your app data directory, specifically within the .minecraft folder. Once inside, look for a file named options.txt. This plain text file stores many of your game's personalized settings, including the gamma value. It is crucial to find this specific file to proceed with our adjustments. Open the options.txt file using any basic text editor, like Notepad. Scroll through the file until you find the line that starts with gamma colon. The default value is usually gamma colon 1.0. To brighten your game, change this number to a higher value, such as 10.0 for maximum visibility. You can experiment with values between 1.0 and 10.0. After you have adjusted the gamma value to your preference, make sure to save the options.txt file. It is very important to save your changes before closing the editor. Then, simply relaunch Minecraft. Your new gamma setting will now be active, making your game world brighter. Feel free to re-edit the file and try different values until you achieve your perfect level of brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.